Hi, I'm Jason Pisarek, Senior Electrical Engineer here at Lund Boats. Talk today about some of the improvements that we've done in the last few years on the boats on the electrical side. Starting out, we've invested in new Cad software, Cad, to provide better diagrams and information to our dealers and our customers. We've moved to larger wiring for all of the boats across the board to provide better clean power to the console in the boats when they leave the factory. All the boats are running a minimum of 8 gauge. All the bigger boats, 17 plus, are running 6 gauge. All the boats are running master power switches at the console, allows you to turn all your electronics, all the boat functions off with one switch. We've also, in the last 2 years, added battery switches at the back of the boat. This allows you to kill the engine, kill all your electronics, and then also add any extra wiring to the boat and have a good switch to turn it off. It makes storing the boat easy and prevents any battery drain. Going from there, all of the trolling motor wiring has been upgraded to allow the use of all the new brushless trolling motors that are on the market, up to 36 volt. Along with that, we've upgraded many of our models in the last year to support 36 volt, anything 18 foot and up, and a few of the 17 footers. Specifically, the impact and the crossover have gotten upgrades. With the crossover, in addition to the 36 volt upgrade, we've moved the batteries to open up storage in the bow compartment. They're down on the floor now, allows easy wiring, easy access. With the new exotic forward-facing sonar packages that people are putting on their boat, we've added house battery options to the largest boats, being the Pro V, Impact, and Crossover. This allows clean power and more power to keep you out on the water longer. The Crossover, specifically, we've backlit all the panels to make it easy to read in low light. The Pro V has full-length dimmable lighting. The Crossover also has an option for full-length lighting that comes in both red and white. So at the flip of a switch, you can go from red to white depending on what your situation calls for. With all the new interior lighting, we wanted to make room for more power, so we're ensuring that all of our boats are lithium compatible. All the features, all the chargers, and all the switching is compatible with lithium, as well as enough room to put the batteries in the boat. They won't come from the factory that way, but you can set them up however you need to fit your fishing style. Here at Lund Boats, we continue to watch the fishing industry and all the new trends and features that are coming out so we can adapt our electrical system to provide you the best fishing experience on the water.